Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the night mode on the MangaTOON application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Mine section at the lower right corner of the screen, and here go to the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the night mode option and just tap to the next white circle and the night mode is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.